Have you ever dreamed of creating your own blockbuster movie with state-of-the-art CGI effects? Well, I've got some exciting news for you. I recently stumbled upon an incredible tool that allows you to bring your stories to life in an entirely new way. Wonder Dynamics has created a game-changing VFX technology called Wonder Studio, and let me tell you, it's a complete game-changer. This tool can automatically animate lights and compose CG characters into live action scenes with ease, taking your videos to the next level. But wait, it gets even better. Wonder Studio is completely different from any other tool out there. It maps out a person's skeleton to determine the exact pose as they are walking or running and aligns the 3D image skeleton to match it perfectly. It can even isolate the character from the background and track the camera to make it look like the character is really there. What's more, these remarkable technology is all done behind the scenes. Wonder Studio handles everything from motion capture to masking out the character, generating a Blender file, and rendering the final product, all with incredible precision and speed. And if that isn't enough to convince you, check out the people behind this incredible technology. Steven Spielberg is one of the investors, and Ty Sheridan, who played the main character in Ready Player One, is one of the co-founders, Epic Games, and Samsung are among the other big investors, but that's not all. Wonder Studio is a web-based editor, so you won't need an expensive graphics card or a super high-end computer to use it. Most of the processing happens in the cloud behind the scenes, so even those with less powerful computers can take advantage of this amazing tool. You may be wondering, how can I get my hands on this amazing tool? Well, Wonder Dynamics has a wait list for better access, which I have already joined, and once I gain access, I will be sure to make videos about it, so stay tuned. In conclusion, this technology will change video and movie making forever, and I can't wait to see all the creative things people will make with it, so head over to thewonderdynamics.com to join the beta list. Thanks for tuning in. If you are excited for the future of AI, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.